24/7 teachers training. Our lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers.
Number 18. Respected teacher, Assalamu Alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. Our books are based on CPA method, concrete, pictorial and abstract. And students will learn about mathematical concepts by using their cognitive skills. Say Assalamu Alaikum and good morning to the children. Encourage them to greet you back. Children from the age of 2 to 5 years start thinking creatively and critically, counting objects, comparing sizes, exploring patterns and shapes, analyzing and solving problems. Learning should be holistic, enjoyable and engaging so that the students put in their best to learn. Let us start with the introduction to number 18. Students should be able to read, write and represent number 18. Count number 18. Generate a set equal to number 18. Write number 18. Tell the children that they will be counting and writing number 18. Get them ready for the activity. Start the lesson by singing the following number song with children. 18 is a number that looks just green. 18 is a number that looks just green. Make a 1 and then an 8. Make a 1 and then an 8. Write number 18 on the writing board. Tell them that this is number 18. Introduce the number value with the help of book. Show picture, count and say 18 cups. 18 cups. 18 cups. 18 cups. Repeat at least 3 times. Ask children to repeat after you. Involve the class in this process. Write number 18. Write number 18 on the board and give instructions. Write 1 and 18 to make 18. Ask them to open their textbook, count, color and match objects with number 18. Ask them to open their textbook and trace number 18 with the help of dots. Write some jumbled numbers on the writing board and ask children to recognize 18. Reinforcement worksheet of number 18 can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.